let me show you today what we are going to do is we're going to make an arrangement with the leaves and the flowers that we have in our garden, okay? And I'm going to show you how to pluck them from the garden, or you can even go to a flower shop and you can choose your flowers and leaves from there and bring it at home, and you can make a flower arrangement or a leaf arrangement and keep it in your house. And one more thing, if we need to use a scissor, so over here parents, please, mothers or dads, whoever is doing this activity with your child, can you please assist them with the use of scissors so you can do the cutting, because children have yet not learned how to use a scissor. So if they're plucking it and if they're breaking it with their hands, that's another thing. But if they need to use a scissor, then you need to be there, be with them to do this activity. Okay? So I have bought my scissor and I have bought my tray over here. I'm going to cut my leaves, my stems and my flowers, whatever I get in my garden, okay? And I'm going to take it up in the classroom and I'm going to show you how to make a arrangement, okay? So let's move. Let me see what I can find. So now I'm going to start cutting. I think I will need a scissor today to cut my leaves and plants and whatever flowers. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to be cutting. Auntie Amna, when we come close, we can actually see. I'm going to handle my plants very gently, okay? I'm not going to be rough with them. Let me show you how I'm picking up my scissor also. All my fingers and my thumb, okay? So this is how I'm going to pick up my scissor. Open and shut. Open, shut. So I'm going to be very gentle. I'm going to select my leaves. Parents, I think you need to be on board with this activity, okay? Because it's better to actually cut than to pull, right? So I am right now. Okay, so let me show you. I have cut these leaves. What I see in these leaves is that the two color. Some portion of the leaf is white and the other portion is dark green. Okay, and the stem is green too. Alright, I'm going to move to another one. Okay, let me see. Okay, I think I'm going to take one leaf from here. I'm going to cut this leaf. Alright, I'm cut it from here. Oh my gosh, do you see the shape of this leaf? This leaf, it looks like a heart to me. See? It's a heart-shaped leaf. And it's green in color, dark green in color. The shape of the leaf is so interesting. The stem is green and the back side of the leaf is also green. It's a dark green color. Okay? Alright. So I'm going to take this one. I'll take one more leaf because I think I'll make two of these. Okay? So I'm going to cut one more from here. Okay? Alright. From here, right here. And here I go. Alright. So even this is a heart shape. Alright, see? I'm cleaning it right now. Okay, it's a heart shaped leaf, the same kind. So one leaf is big and one leaf is small. See? Can you see it? Okay, now let's move forward with something else, some other kind of leaves. Flower over here. Look, there is a red color flower growing over here. So I'm going to sit down over here and I'm going to cut this flower, not pluck, from right here at the bottom. Here, see, it's a red color flower. This is so nice, huh? Okay, so I'm going to put this on my tray and let me see if I have something more over here. See, there are leaves over here. Now this is actually when this tree grows, it's grown big and it's turning into a tree, and the leaves are light green in color and they are big in shape. I don't think I will need this one, so let me move around and see if I have anything more over here. Yeah, different types of leaves over here. Let's see, this could be, yeah, this is interesting. So I'm going to cut here. See, these are different. The color is different too. And the shape is different too. It's a long leaf. Looks long. See? Can you see the veins of the leaves? See right here. Let me show. These are the veins of the leaves. Okay? Actually, in the garden, when you have plants that are growing, okay, or if you have pots that are kept in the house, we need to be very careful with them, be gentle with them, water them, talk to them. But sometimes, you would like to make an arrangement, so it's okay to pluck them from the garden, or you can go get things from the flower shop and make arrangements so that your room looks beautiful. Let me check if there's anything more interesting over here for me to pick up. Oh, I have a palm, a small palm over here. I could add one palm into my arrangement, okay? So let me cut one palm leaf for you, okay? Let me check something which is neat and clean. Alright, let me check one. It is smaller also. Here I found one which is smaller. You see, I'm going to cut it from here. So much more easier. And see the leaves are thin and long. Can you see? The leaves are thin and long. So I need to actually wash this leaf because it's got some dirt. Alright. So I'm going to take one more. Alright. One more palm leaf. Okay. Let me check which is better. Okay. So I'm going to cut right here. And see, I have taken. So can you see this? The dried part? I'm just going to snip it away. See? Because then my arrangement is going to look very nice. You know guys, this arrangement can stay with you if you water it every day and keep it in your room or anywhere. It will stay for weeks and it will look so beautiful. Okay, so I think I'm looking for some more flowers, but I don't think so we have flowers in the garden. We do have, oh yes, that we do have, but it's up high. So I can see some flowers, such beautiful, pretty flowers right up there. Okay, they're so beautiful. They're orange in color, and you know what? I want these for my arrangement. Okay? So I can't reach. Can you see? I can't reach. So for that, I have to bring a stool over here. I'm going to climb up. Okay, children over here, you don't have to do these kind of things. If you have a garden where you can see that the flowers are growing up high, then you need to tell your mom or your dad to help you cut those flowers or pluck those flowers from there. You're not supposed to do that, okay? So I'm a grown-up. I can do this. I'm going to show you how I'm going to climb up. Get me very carefully. Take my scissors. And here I am. Where I get my flower. So much fun, huh? So I'm going to pluck it from here. Here I have. See? Looking pretty, huh? Alright. I think I'm going to take some more. One more. Okay, so I'm going to carefully snip it from here. Here I have. See? I have it here. Can you see? It's got spikes. These flowers have got spikes. Can you see? Soft, gentle spikes. It's a very unusual flower. See, and the leaves are there, the green, the veins are there. Can you see the veins? See. So today's activity is really fun for me. I hope it's fun for you too. Alright, so I'm going to put my flower right on my tray, put my scissor here, and very, very carefully come down like this. Okay? Again children, if the flowers are not within your reach, you need help, you need to ask your mother to help you get those flowers. Okay, now I'm going to go to the pot. Okay, so I have this pot right here. See, this is a flowering pot. Okay, so if you have a pot at home, fine, you can do your arrangement in the pot. But if you don't, then you could either take any box, plastic box, or take the mineral water bottle, cut it up, and you can put your sand in that, and then you can do your arrangement in that. But since I had this pot at school, so I decided, okay, why not do the arrangement in this pot? So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to take some sand. Okay, I have some sand here. I'm going to fill up this pot with the sand. Okay, like this. All right. Some more. See? So here I have all my sand here. See? So I have collected my sand, and this sand is wet. Okay, so you need to pick up the sand, and then you need to just water it so that it becomes a little wet. Okay, so we're going to pick this up, and I'm going to put this here in my tray right here. And now we are going to go upstairs in the classroom, and I'm going to show you how to make an arrangement in this pot. Okay, so need to wash my hands are dirty, so I'm going to see you in a bit. After I finish washing my hands, I'm going to come to you again, and I'm going to show you how to work further. Okay, don't go away, wait.
Auntie Akila is washing her plants that she plucked,
So that all the dirt and all the webs, certain flowers had some webs over here, okay? So I need to get rid of all the dirt. So my leaves and my flowers, they shine, right? And they look fresh when I put them in an arrangement. Very, very gentle. I am very gentle. Can you see how gently I am rubbing my hands over the leaves? Very gentle, because I don't want them to break or tear or fall. Put them back in my tray. On my tray, I'm washing my tray also. Okay. Alright, and now I'm going to wash my hands with my soap. The soap is very small. Okay, so I'm washing, cleaning my hands, and now I'll take my tray, close the tap, don't waste water. I'll put this on here. This is going to be very, very interesting, I'm sure, because I'm thoroughly enjoying it. And you guys are going to. And can you please, after you make the arrangements, also show me, send me pictures so that I can see what great work you did. Okay? So now let's go. Okay? Here I have my tray. Here I have my pot. Okay, so my hands are wet. I'm going to take my napkin. I'm going to wipe my hands. Remember, I told you have to wipe your hands, right? And now I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the flower arrangement. So you know what I'm going to do is, I'm going to bring these leaves on my table, take them on the table for me to see, right? Because I need to choose which one do I need to put first, which one will I put second. And you see how I'm putting it right here? Right. Start placing your leaves very gently. My heart-shaped leaf, small one, big one. Alright. And then my two colored leaves, I'll put them right here. Okay. And then I have my other flower leaves. So let me just put all the flowers on one side. And I'll make my tray. My tray is empty, so I'm going to put this away. Alright, like this. And this. Now see, all these plants, all these leaves and flowers, we pluck them, we cut them from the garden. Okay? So now today I'm going to show you how to make an arrangement. Alright? So let me first take my fern. Okay? No, this is not a fern. Basically, this is a palm. Okay? It looks like a fern, but it's actually a palm leaf. Okay? So I'm going to put this over here, right inside, and then I'm going to take some colored ones and put this here, and I'm going to put this here. Then I'm going to take my flower and put this in the center right here. See, it's coming out so well. Right, and I retook this one too. Remember the long ones? This one. So I'm going to put this here right behind, all the way down very gently. And in this, probably your mom will need to help you too. Okay, beta. Now I'm taking my heart one. So I'm going to put my heart one right here. All the way push it down. you how to do this, you know. I'm going to take my other palm and I'm going to put it right here behind. See, is it looking nice? Alright, and then this flower. Alright, can you see? I'm going to put it over here. I think it must be looking nice from the front. Right, Auntie Amna?
Yes, very
Looking
nice.
pretty?
Very pretty.
Okay, the small one I'm going to put it right here. Like this. Like this. Alright. Some more to go. Okay, I had the colored ones right here. So I'm going to take both of them together. Okay, I'll take one by one. Put one right here. And maybe one right at the back. Okay. So, how does my arrangement look?
It looks very pretty.
How does it look?
Very
Oh
pretty.
my gosh, this is looking so pretty. It looks really very nice. Now what do? Is that we just add a little water, right, into the sand so that the leaves and the flowers, they have food, they have water, they have the soil to actually, how would we say, to drink and to nourish themselves. So this arrangement can stay in your room for many days, okay, but you need to just water a little. So over here I have a jug, okay, I have some water here and I'm just going to pour a little water. Remember my sand was a little wet, so I don't need to put more water. This is it. So my arrangement is done and I am going to put my arrangement, say over here on this table, here on this table, right in the center. And this is your flower arrangement that you can do also at home. Okay, kids, don't run away. I need to show you something. Okay, come back to the table. Kids, look at this mess. Should I just leave it and go away? No, not at all. Whenever we do some work, we have to put things, clean it and put the things away. Okay, so I need to clean this mess. Okay, I have my towel over here. Alright, and I am going to clean wipe my table. The flower that I showed you with the spikes, see the spikes, they're so thin and soft. Just see, they're so cute. I'm going to leave it on the table for you to see it too. See, a very, very unusual flower. Okay, I'm going to put this away here and I'm going to wipe my table. I need to take my tray, get it on the floor. I've taken my tray, I'm going to put my tray on the table, start wiping it clean. See, we have to wipe our things, right? So now I'm going to turn my tray and I'm going to wipe it from behind. Right? Right? I'm going to flip it. Tray is clean. Fold my napkin. Now this napkin is dirty, so we are going to put this for washing in the hamper, right? So I'm going to put this for washing and see. This is my tray and my work for today is done. Parents and children, I hope you really enjoyed today's activity because I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was something different, going outside, feeling nature and seeing all the different types of leaves and flowers. I thoroughly enjoyed. Again, like I'm saying, if you don't have a garden at home, you can go out on the streets with your parents and you can look around for leaves and you can even make arrangements without any flowers. You can even make an arrangement just with the leaves, and if your mom can take you to the flower shop, you can just take a few flowers, some leaves around and bring it home and make an arrangement. Send me pictures. I'm going to be waiting to see this, or send me small videos so that I can see, appreciate and feel so very happy. Okay, see you again next week. Bye.